Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm करेंगे थोड़ा सा मजा but painting. As you know by the title, I am going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial. Bob Ross is no more in this world and it's quite lost because he was a beautifully hearted person, and I started watching his video only as an adult. I wasn't aware about Bob Ross until YouTube recommended it to me. So by the second time I already wanted to try something, and I did. I followed one tutorial by him and I painted it in my art journal, and I used watercolor for that. But basically Bob Ross uses oil colors on big canvases, so I really wanted to try that as well. And I've been pushing this video from a month now and I wasn't able to film it. I don't know why. I don't know why. Most probably because I'm lazy. So this is the first time I have tried oil painting on a canvas. I haven't done it before, and I've used the one by Camlin. You can use any oil colors that are available. If you don't want to paint or you don't like painting, just enjoy the process. Just watch and be happy. If you're new, hi there. This is me. Pretty obvious. I share DIYs, art videos, craft videos, sometimes makeup as well. I just share whatever I like, and if we have mutual liking, then please consider subscribing to this channel by clicking the red button down below. And I think I have blabbered a lot, so let's just get started with the video now.
These are the products that I'll be using in the video today. Linseed oil is for blending the colors, and I have this distilled turpentine oil to clean the brushes. Links to all the products will be in the description down below.
Okay guys, so I have the whole setup here. I have laid out all the colors that we'll be needing on this glass, and I don't know what liquid white is, so I have coated the canvas once with white color. And now we are going to start with Indian yellow that I do not have, so we are going to start with this color. This is pretty similar to Indian yellow. This is called chrome yellow deep hue.
We'll go right up here in the sky and just do something like that. That's all there is to it. Just make little crisscross strokes, something like that.
Let's just get started.
Okay, now without cleaning the brush, I'll go right into a little bit of yellow ochre. Just right into it. Don't even have to clean the brush.
Okay, let's move to yellow ochre, and I have it here.
A little touch of the bright red. Be careful with the bright red. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color.
Okay, we have to be a little careful with bright red. I don't know where to look. I don't know if you have noticed yet, but mine is turning out to be orangish. There's a hair, but let's keep going.
Let's do the rest of the sky and let's use a lavender color. We'll just brush mix it here. I'll use a little phthalo blue, alizarin crimson, proportionately, much more crimson than blue.
So I do not have phthalo blue, but I have a warm blue, so let's try that. So I think the name is different, but the crimson that I have is similar to the one that he's using. So let's make lavender. Does this look lavender to you?
Here and there and there and here. There. Just wherever.
Okay, wherever. How is he blending it so fast?
Then we'll wash the brush. That's the most fun part of this whole procedure. Shake it off. Just beat the devil out of it.
I'm going to clean this brush. I can't beat the devil out of this brush because I am not in an art studio. I'm at my home, and if the paint gets on the wall or on the bed or on the floor, I am going to be disowned from this family. So I'm just going to go clean this brush quietly. Okay, devil has been beaten out of this brush. Let's resume. So now he's blending this with a clean brush. I have the clean brush here, but I am going to use this one for blending. It's kind of like an old brush that I have.
maybe in our world there lives a big old cloud right up in here. It just sort of floats around, has a good time all day. You know, clouds are one of the freest things in nature, I believe. So just let them go. Shoot, let them have fun. Let them have fun wherever you want them.
Okay, so he uses a fan brush and I have three, luckily. So I think I'm going to go with this one. This should be the appropriate size. So we're starting with the clouds somewhere around here. And I'm kind of scared of this process because right now I have a nice gradient base and I really don't want to ruin it, but let's go. We have to do this. We cannot be scared of colors. Yeah. So I have the color here. I don't see anything. Do you see anything? So my clouds do not look like his, and I'm nowhere where he is. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I've used less white. Let's try adding more white. Does that look like clouds?
We'll put a least little touch of that bright red on there. A little bit of white with it.
I'm just kind of so scared that I'm going to ruin this, but you know what? इतना डरने से काम नहीं चलने वाला है, so we just gonna go.
Reach over here and get a touch of that lavendery color we were using. Just a least little touch. There. See, this blender is so soft, you can just get in here and work all this color without it all blending together. Let's put a nice dark cloud in here. That contrast it'll sparkle. It'll absolutely sparkle.
Dude!
There. Maybe we'll put a wild shape on this one.
He's made this beautiful cloud, which I'm very doubtful that I can, but let's try. Okay, I think that's enough highlight. Let's just move on and get done with the clouds.
Take some pure titanium white. Maybe in our world, maybe the sun lives right behind that big cloud there. So we can just take pure titanium white, and I'm just going to use the knife.
Now he's taking the titanium white and trying to make kind of like a sun right here. But I do not have the knife, so I can either try it with a scale like this, or I can try it with my finger as he said. So let's see. You know what? I think I'm just gonna use my finger.
Take a little of that lavender since it's going so nice. And let's go down here. And let's just put some of that nice lavender color down here. Cut off a little roll of paint, and let's have a little mountain first. Maybe we'll do a couple mountains. We'll have one that lives far away. This little mountain, he lives way back here, almost to the edge of nowhere. Cut off our little roll of paint. It should live right on the edge of your knife. Then we go up here, and here's a mountain. I don't want it to get too big. I like to paint big mountains, and I sort of have to physically restrain myself sometime.
Okay, that sky is so pretty, man. Look at that. I just tried to make a mountain without knife. I tried it with scale and this is what it looks like. We'll make it right, okay? It kind of looks like a mountain. I'm not very satisfied right now, but yeah, we can work it out.
Just blending that out. Tell you what, let's put a little bit of highlight. I'll use a little bit of that bright red, a little white. I don't want much highlight, just enough so we see a little sun zinging right across there. Tiny little amount. There it goes. Zoom. There it goes. A little bit more. Zoom right there.
Hello, hi, welcome back. This is day 2. Yesterday, actually, my phone's battery died and I wasn't able to shoot. Yesterday, I made the mountains, after which I took a break and I thought that I'll charge my phone and then we'll get back to painting. But by the time I was back, it was already dark and there was no proper natural light. So I decided we'll continue with the rest of the painting tomorrow. So I'll just show you what I made because I don't know if the mountains got recorded or not, and I haven't checked the clip. So this is what I made yesterday. I made these mountains and oh my god, they were really difficult to make. So I tried making this with the damn scale, but it won't work. So that did not work. Then I had this, I can't explain, you know what it is, I know what it is. And I tried using this, but it did not work as well. Then I used a blunt knife. Yeah. Yes, I used this and I tried it with this side, like this curved side, and it worked perfectly fine. Basically, I cut a roll of paint right here and then I just dragged it like this. Yesterday, I think I started around 2 and around 5. It was already dark, so I'm starting again around 1 today. And let's see if we can get this finished today because I don't think there's much left.
Just put in a happy little water line. Lives right along in there. There.
And I have the color right here, so I'm just gonna use this.
Maybe in our world, there is now. Maybe there's a little tree, happy little tree, and he lives right there. There he comes. This would be very dark though. With this kind of sky, you'd almost have silhouettes here.
Oh my god. Shit. Does this look like a damn tree to you?
I decided to fix the damn tree and fix the painting.
Maybe there's a bush that lives right there. And a lot of nice bushy areas. Really and truly, you can just put anything in here. I just wanted to show you mainly today how to do a fantastic sky. Very easy, very quick. There, we just fill that up with color. A little bit of highlight on some of these trees. Just enough so you know there's a little green over here too.
And now you'll see like a time-lapse video of me fixing everything and completing the bottom part because there's not much to show and explain. And this is what it turned out to be. I really love it. It's not the best work, but I think for the first time it's nice.
I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please comment down below which part was your favorite, or if you're watching Bob Ross for the first time, did you like it or did you like my attempt to paint an art from Bob Ross? If you want me to try more such videos or you want me to make something specific, please comment down below so I can work on it and give you the content that you guys want. Please stay safe, stay at home. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.